Hi, so for this video, it is a DIY present for your significant other. You could also maybe make this for a friend, but I feel like it's for significant others. So basically, you get a book. You can get like a cheap book, like some books only cost $1, and you decorate it. You could decorate every page, but that would take a really long time. I only decorated some of the pages for this. So I did stuff like this page. It says like together let's, and it's like a bucket list, and I wrote like things to like do together. I've seen this on like Tumblr a lot in like 2013, but there's like this thing where you go to a page and you like black out all the words and then you make like a love poem with it. Mine was kind of hard because the like book I chose was like a murder mystery or something, so it was like kind of hard to do that, but I did find some pages that said like lovey stuff, you know. Basically I just painted the cover pink and then I put a bunch of sparkles on it, which this is really messy. Sparkles get everywhere, so I would kind of not recommend doing that if they would be like annoyed with the mess, but I did it anyways. So, yeah, you can also like write a table of contents. I wrote like a table of contents. I put a paper clip by all of the pages I decorated so that they would be like easy to find, but you could also do like not do that and then have them like search or you could do like a thing where it's like go to page 32 and then when you go to like 32 it's like go to page 72 and then when you go to 72 it's like go to 142, you know. That would also be something that's really cute. Really easy like a gift idea to get your significant other or whoever you want to give it to, and it shows that you put a lot of thought into it and it's not just like a cookie cutter like a bracelet or whatever you would like want to give them besides this. I think it's like special and like meaningful, and they probably would want to keep it for a while. If I was given this, I'd probably keep it till death, even if we broke up. So yeah, that's what I would personally do. I don't know. This would be a really good Valentine's Day gift or an anniversary gift. Please subscribe to me because I'm really crafty. Okay, goodbye.